The Fairphone 3 is a modular phone, easy to open and repair. The only tool you need is a screwdriver. There is a Phillips 00 screwdriver in the packaging of the phone. Let's begin. The first step is to remove the protective bumper around the phone. Then, take off the back cover by separating it from the frame. Make sure to start from the bottom right of the phone and continue to lift it gradually until it is completely removed. Now, let's take out the battery. Simply lift it from the white arrow at the bottom. The next step is to remove the 13 screws holding the display module in place. Choose a screw and start unscrewing. The order doesn't matter. Once all screws are removed, hold the phone with one hand. Place your fingers on the right side of the frame, inside the battery compartment, and push the display out of the frame. Once the display is disconnected, use one hand to hold the frame, and with the other, continue lifting the display until fully removed. Congratulations, you just disassembled the display module. To remove the camera module, use your fingertips to lift up the ribbon cable below the module. Make sure to lift from the tip of the arrow. Then, unfasten the 2 screws around it. Now, take the phone in your hands and apply gentle pressure against the camera to pop out the module. To put the phone back together, you just have to proceed in reverse order. Put the camera module back in its place and fasten the 2 screws. Reconnect the ribbon cable with your fingertips until you feel it click. Done. Now, to place the display module back into the body of the phone, start at the top of the frame. Just click it gradually into place. Flip the device over and fasten the 13 screws. Place the battery back in, top first. Click the back cover onto the frame. Make sure to fit the protective bumper on. Press and hold the power button to turn the phone on, and you're good to go.